As per our ongoing VELO cost expectation, the worth of VELO will expanded by 256.02%, coming to $0.00898 by end of 2025. Amazingly, all specialized pointers show that the ongoing feeling especially is nonpartisan, while the trepidation and covetousness file is perusing 17.80, which in every practical sense implies intense apprehension, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Our VELO figure, it's in every way that really matters. Hold VELO the present moment, which is very huge. On September 17, 2023, practically generally specialized investigation pointers flagged bullish signs, while sort of different markers flagged negative signs, demonstrating an overall nonpartisan feeling among VELO cost forecasts. See the specific VELO cost forecast beneath. You will know the amount VELO in a real sense is worth in the next few long stretches of time, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Over the for the most part most recent 30 days, VELO has expanded by 32.78%. Because of this, we can for the most part get with the exception of a slight recuperation in the approaching month. Toward the finish of September, the worth of VELO expanded by 116.25% and came to approach around $0.00545 in a significant manner. As of now, all markers are demonstrating impartial zone, and the trepidation and ravenousness list shows 17.80, for the most part intense feelings of dread. Amazingly, as indicated by our gauge, this basically isn't the perfect opportunity to in every practical sense hold VELO. At present, VELO is exchanging underneath the 200 certainly basic moving normal, which in a real sense is very huge. For the kind of most recent 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA in every practical sense has shown a VELO holding kind of sign. The cost of VELO is at present running underneath the 50-day basic moving normal, SMA, and it in a real sense shows a purchase signal in a significant manner. As per every single specialized pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit $0.00400 toward December's end. By December 2023-2024, VELO's momentary 50-day SMA, all things considered, shows a $0.00245. The general strength record, RSI, force oscillator, is a famous marker that signals whether a cryptographic money sort of is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70. RSI is at present at Orcivalu. This shows that the VELO market in a real sense is in an impartial position. VELO value expectation 2023. In the main 7-day stretch of January 2023, VELO came to $0.00336 when it really dipped under $0.00173. Interestingly, since January 2021, in a significant manner, as indicated by the financial backers and market trades, VELO is headed to passing the $0.00554 mark before the current year is over. Before $0.00554, it might break its characteristic of $2.07 and reach, as per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, VELO will break its past all-time high of $2.07 and truly hold somewhere in the range of $0.00434 and $0.00554 soon in a significant manner. At this point, on 17 September 2023, VELO really is exchanging at $0.00252, and its 24-hour exchanging volume in a real sense is around 1.93 M, and it makes number 582 money in the entire crypto world. VELO value expectation 2024. There is plausible that VELO can get through the $0.00643 hindrance and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The least VELO cost will be between $0.00541 to $0.00643, and the most probable VELO cost will basically be especially consistent at around $0.00618. Toward the finish of 2024. Despite VELO's sort of wild swings in esteem and the discussion encompassing its ecologically unpleasant energy use, extremely rich person adventure truly entrepreneur Tim Draper, is adhering to his forecast that VELO will sort of reach $0.00643 toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024, which is genuinely critical. VELO Value Expectation 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists in every practical sense foresee that VELO will truly begin the year at $0.00743 and exchange around $0.00898 in an exceptionally significant manner. As per their forecasts, this would essentially be very high contrasted with a year ago. This is actually an okay leap in Bitcoin, which is genuinely critical. VELO Value Forecast 2026. There sort of is a decent opportunity that VELO 2026 value expectation will twofold in cost, yet it is likewise conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal greatest $0.0115 level. VELO really is anticipated to arrive at a record-breaking extremely high of $0.0111 or $0.0115 in 2026, and it could in every practical sense be the time of VELO. VELO Value Expectation 2027 VELO Value Forecast, or VELO, will encounter enormous development in 2027, as it has the essentially potential to accomplish new highs. As far as sticker costs and market cap, VELO's cost is supposed to outperform $0.0115 in 2027, which is very critical. It certainly has been basically anticipated that VELO will really arrive at the greatest cost of $0.0115, and the base cost is supposed to generally be around $0.00971 in the following a long time from 2027 incredibly. VELO Value Forecast 2028 Market examiners and specialists say that VELO Value Expectation and Specialized Examination VELO explicitly is supposed to cross a value level of $0.0135 in 2028, in spite of prevalent thinking. In the interim, VELO is supposed to really arrive at any rate cost of $0.0119 this year. The most extreme cost may in every practical sense reach $0.0137. VELO Value Expectation 2029 by the start of 2029. The VELO Value Forecast and Specialized Investigation by and large foresee that the expense of VELO will reach $0.0183, and the cost of VELO ought to reach $0.0183 before the year's over. Moreover, VELO can in a real sense reach up to $0.0170 in cost incredibly. From 2024 to 2029, delay will generally bring critical years for VELO development. VELO Value Expectation 2030 of every 2030, VELO Value Forecast are supposed to cross the $0.0259 normal cost level as per VELO estimate and specialized examination.